Hi, this is Tess. Thank you for visiting Tax Education Services. Today, I'm going to show you one of the ways you can sign up for an online course. Once you've made your way to our homepage, you'll find Seminar Calendar listed on the banner at the top. Go ahead and click that. That will bring you to a calendar view of the courses we offer per month. If I'd like to take a course on the 28th, let's say Like-Kind Exchange Mechanics, I will click that course. This will bring me to its individual page that tells me the price of the class, the credit hours, the learning objective, and the instructor. At the very bottom, it would also give me a list of related courses that I might want to take instead of or as well as the current course. Once I've made my decision, I will click the green Attend Online button. This will add the course to my shopping cart. You can see the banner that has appeared says you are not registered yet. When you are finished adding seminars to your cart, click here to check out. After clicking there, it will bring me to my shopping cart, where I can see the total cost of the class. I have a pass, so I will not be paying anything to view this course online. From here, I will say Proceed to Checkout. This will show me the price with my pass, and if I were to pay with this with a credit card, it would prompt me to enter my credit card information and address associated with that card. Once I've entered all that information, I will press the green Place Reservation button. The final page says Registration Payment Confirmation. This is how I know I've been signed up for the class. I will also receive an email confirming my registration. Thank you.